Well, hello there guys. If you don't already know me, my name is Arianna, and here on my channel I talk about minimalism and motherhood. And so today we're going to be talking about minimalist kids' bedrooms. We just redesigned our oldest girl's room, and that is because they are now sharing. So we wanted to change the space from just Revelyn space to make it brand new, so that would make the transition a little bit easier, mostly for Revelyn. So she didn't feel like her sister was coming into her space. Now we've created their space. So originally this was supposed to be unicorn. It has turned into just pretty much rainbow, but they love it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it, show you guys all the projects that we did in here. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna give you guys an overview of the space first, and then we'll talk in detail. So we've got this really cool rainbow decal wall, and then we have their bed, we have a pillow, and then we have this little loft space right over here. So we're gonna start off with this awesome decal wall. It is from Pepper Decals. She was actually sweet enough to send this to the girls. I of course will have her website linked down below, and she also provided a coupon code just for you guys, so you can go ahead and use it on her site. She has lots of different decals and actually really good pricing on decals too, which is hard to find. And they were pretty easy to install as well. We just went ahead and put them up first with painter's tape and figured out placement, and then we just stuck them on. My mom just had a little decal sticking party one evening, and we got it all done. So we're gonna move on over here first, I think. And this is Revelyn's plant that she got before the girls shared a room. She really wanted a pothos when she saw one at Lowe's. So this is Plantsy Dirtsy, as she calls it. Then they have their toilet right here. If they can't get to the big toilet in time, they have the option of using that. Then a trash can, pretty simple. And then below the decal wall, we have this 4-cube shelf. Like I said, we're going for minimalist style. We want them to be able to enjoy their space, but also be able to sleep in it and not be distracted by stuff. These right here are little stickies for the window. They're clings and they can stick to each other and stick on the window. The girls have fun with those. They have these Lift the Flap books from Usborne that they enjoy. Then down here is the Jesus Storybook Bible. They read that with my husband every night before bed. And then these are the Disney Princess wooden peg dolls that my sister painted for my oldest. So those are in here. They are a big hit. They still play with them a lot. And then up on top here, we have the diffuser nightlight. You guys may recognize this. I will have everything I can linked down below for you guys. Like I said, it is a diffuser too, so you can put essential oils in there, which we do. And then they have their sound machine. And I think from there, we'll move over to the loft space. So this is their loft. It was a closet. We do a family closet. If you guys missed that video, I will link it up above for you. So because we do that, this closet has always been empty. So we decided to be fun to build the girls a little loft hangout space. And so my husband did this woodworking project. And up top, we also have this really cool neon rainbow. I got this from Target. Then they have their stuffed animals, and then some of you recognize this. It is the only thing that my oldest asked for Christmas. So minimalism for me, it's really important that I don't over push it on my kids. I want them to be individuals. I want them to still enjoy their space, but there are also aspects of minimalism that kids wouldn't naturally lean towards, but are really good for them. So we still want to instill the need for less and have less things in their space, but I don't want to take away their individuality. So of course I let them have some stuffed animals, but we learn to not let them get to too many. We keep our favorites. We get them excited about donating them to other kids that could use them when they don't need them anymore. Balancing on teaching them that individuality is important and should be celebrated, but also to not let consumerism take over your individuality. And then down here, we just have some pillows. This is my now past service dog, Levi. So they have little pillows with him on them. And then that is a little, one of those pillows that on the back has the sequins that go back and forth. And then this is a bookshelf. There's just no books on it currently. Oh, and then also we did leave extra space back here, so you can put books back here too. So there is a little book space up there too. Okay, and then Daisy right here, my Jack Russell, is laying on this cool thing that I got off of Amazon. And it's actually meant to put all your old blankets in or stuffed animals in, and it turns it into a big bean bag. So we still have extra room to add some more, but there are like their old blankets they don't use anymore. There are some blankets that really my oldest didn't want to let go of, but she would never use them. They'd sit at the end of her bed and she wouldn't actually sleep with them. Instead of like making her get rid of them because she wasn't ready, we compromised and we put them in here. So now she knows they're in there. She still has them, but they're being utilized in a way that they're actually useful and not being wasted. This is my girl's bed. It's the IKEA Cura bed. It's great. We love it, but typically you would have a twin here and a twin down here, or you would flip it and just have one twin on the bottom. Now, I had seen this on Pinterest where someone took a full and put it out this way, and I loved it. We did build out a frame that it's sitting on, so the actual outside frame is attached, so it's all connected together, and then it just has some free floating boards in between to allow the mattress to air out. So this bedding is from Target. I'm actually happy to announce that Target is pretty strict actually on their manufacturing of their products that are their brands, not off-brand, not brands that aren't theirs, but like the Pillow Fort brand, Threshold brands that are theirs. They are very strict. In my mind, they're definitely not like perfect. They still could do things better, but they're doing a pretty dang good job. So in the corner here's another project we did, and it is just a little kind of side table for Revelyn. She has little night toys that she plays with, so that's what's in that side, and then her water is held there. And then she also does have a little bookshelf right here. And then up above that, I'm sure you guys noticed the cloud light. I did a DIY video on it. I will link it for you guys if you're curious how to make it. It's super easy. It does come with a remote that the girls can use to change the colors or keep it one color, or just have it be white, and it dims as well. And then Airly does have a little side table here. I have this rolling cart from IKEA that I've had and it wasn't getting used anymore. So I just went ahead and put it under here because it fit perfectly, and so it holds her little stuffed animals that she loves. She did have one of the bookshelves over there. It could not stand up to Airly's roughness with things, so we're gonna probably have to put like a board into studs there and then connect it into that board. Okay, and then the last thing and the only real like toy in their room is this Schleich Farm, which they got for Christmas last year. And they love it. They play with it, and they've been pretty good, honestly, at keeping it in one place. Occasionally the pieces spread out to over here, but they're very good about cleaning it back up. Well, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my kids' minimalist bedroom. They're really excited. I'm glad that I could create a space that really reflects minimalism for us as a family and keeping things simple, but also lets them have their individuality and have a little bit of fun in their room. Just because I enjoy all white things and not a ton of color doesn't mean that my kids do. So this is the space that we came up with for them that was a happy medium between mom being happy and kids being happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see all of your wonderful faces on Tuesday with another video, and then Thursday with my youngest's nursery reveal. Bye.